As you enter the house, you are greeted with a view of the landscape at the back of the sloping lot, framed by a pergola. In this one, we have a cubicle, a sauna, with access to the pool, made of glass, with the intention of maintaining an uninterrupted view of the structures of the house. The cobogós allows the morning sun to enter the leisure area with greater control. The house follows a distribution of spaces where the entire social area and the exterior area can enjoy this view, reinforcing the design that gives it its identity. Above the circulation area of the house, a skylight was created that allows contemplation even in the innermost parts of the house. It illuminates the circulation and office areas, protected from direct sunlight through the depth of the skylight and wooden partitions. Casa Céu is based on an important premise, the appreciation of a valuable feature of the city, and Brasília, the capital of Brazil. The city's sky displays a wide variety of colors and textures throughout the year, with palettes composed alongside the sun that are recognized nationwide. The house creates close to the landscape, either framing the view or providing plans for the sky to express itself through lights and shadows. To allow for an even greater variety of moments in the house, intermediate gardens have been created between its spaces. At the house's entrance, pedestrians and cars pass beneath a pergola that traces the path of the sun throughout the day. Among the elements that contribute to the house's comfort are, in addition to the skylight, the pergolas that shape the house's volume and protect the external circulation areas, and the eaves on the upper volume, preventing the windows from being exposed to rain and sun.